This is the essential ClickFunnels toolkit. These are the features that you cannot afford to miss out on as a ClickFunnels user in 2025. First up, we have the new ClickFunnels Builder. This is the latest and greatest from ClickFunnels, and it's completely free for all users. It's a drag-and-drop builder, which means you can build your funnels visually, making it easier than ever to create high-converting funnels. Next, we have the AIDA formula. This is one of the most powerful features in Click, and it's based on the psychological principles that drive people to take action. When you use the AIDA formula in your funnels, you create a sense of urgency and desire that compels people to buy your product or service. Finally, we have the new shareable white papers feature. This is a game changer for entrepreneurs because it allows you to capture leads and share your expertise all in one tool. With this feature, you can create high-quality white papers that establish you as an authority in your industry and generate qualified leads at the same time. And if you want to learn more about how to use ClickFunnels to grow your business, stay tuned for more updates.